Next one we'll look at is 1.140B6, and this is failure to state a cause of action. Now, what's a cause of action? Cause of action is what they're suing you for, the name of it. Now, we have all kinds of causes of action. Breach of contract, we don't pay something that's pursuant to a contract. Breach of a promissory note, which is essentially a breach of contract. Different torts, like you hurt someone, or so these are all legal causes of action, and each of those requires certain elements be satisfied for you to raise a proper cause of action. So one of the things that you can object to on a motion to dismiss is failure to state a cause of action. Now, the reasons there might not be a cause of action is because they didn't satisfy a condition precedent, like they didn't do the acceleration notice like they were supposed to. Because they didn't do it, they haven't stated a cause of action because they're not allowed to do it because they had that condition precedent. Another might be because they don't have standing to do it. Now, we talked about that before. If they're in the case that we looked at in the complaint, they don't have a chain of promissory note endorsements to the plaintiff. And so they don't have standing. They don't have a cause of action. How do they have the right to sue this defendant when they don't have the paperwork that allows them to do that? So I'm saying, you know what? You don't have a cause of action. You haven't satisfied one of the conditions of that. And so again, the main ones that we're looking at when we're talking about motion to dismiss for failure to state a cause of action is the improper acceleration or no acceleration notice given, no endorsement chain, no enlonges like we talked about, and no assignment of mortgage. Because of those things, it really goes to a standing issue. They don't have the right to sue you, no cause of action. In the materials, there's an example of a motion dismissed based on no cause of action. That's the typical type of motion dismissed that you're going to raise.